Go! Life rules. Seize every moment. Try new things. Be bold. Amaze yourself. Take chances. Be optimistic. Embrace change. Be legendary. Live your life with abandon. Have an open mind. Be fearless. This is your time. Throw caution to the wind. You only live once.
Good morning, guys. It's day 3 in my Peace Rivers adventure. I thought it was a Thursday this whole time, but it's a Friday, so Paul's off pretty soon here, and then I believe we're gonna go swimming, go hiking, go fishing this weekend. That's what the yesterday, but it's super good. I'm gonna eat this right now. It's heated up, ready to go. So I'm still pretty hungry after that meal, so I'm gonna grab another rice and Hong Kong dish, eggs, ground beef, and tomato. Let's get at it, right? Some coffee, Tim Hortons, some, what is this called? Ryan's, some steak, Bam. Yeah, I'm gonna go swimming and then go watch a movie. What movie? I forgot what movie.
The party movie.
I don't think that's the movie of the title. The party movie. The raspberry. Oh, one Pokeball. Let's do this. Give him another raspberry. Can you? Oh, you can't. Oh my god. Oh. This is a Poke Center. Pretty nice. It's also an Asian restaurant. Serve pho and stuff there too. For Korean food, Thai food. I think Thai food, I'm not sure. But I know they serve Korean food, Chinese food. Look at this view. That is nice. We went fishing here last year with Yui. It's a really small town, so you can get everywhere, anywhere within like 5 minutes. Going to the movies, which will take 5 minutes to get there. Then go swimming first, 5 minutes. Then go to the movies, another 5 minutes. I'm so used to it being like 30 minutes to get somewhere. 20 to 30 minutes. Did you lose? We just finished swimming. We're going back to eat some steak wraps right now, and then go to the movies, watch that party movie. That's huge, man.
You're just gonna be like that too.
Wrap it up.
I love tomato.
Boom. Saturday morning. We're supposed to have breakfast, but we're having brunch since it's 11:30. Hash browns, bagel with some ham, with some eggs, and another layer of ham.
Dripping.
First one. Let's go. We're gonna go buy some fishing stuff. Paul, the Chinese mafia, with all his smoke in his mouth. Paul, go sit down, man. Go sit down.
No, man.
I gotta film this first. This is too funny. It's like a family comes up here and chill. The sofa doesn't even look that dirty here. The table looks like it's just been wiped off. But this is Peace Rivers. What a view. We made it to the river where we're gonna fish. My battery's dying, so I have to charge my GoPro in a bit here. But the water's pretty muddy. Hopefully we'll catch something. Look at this. I'm sure someone did this, because there's a chair right there too. Fishing chair. So someone's catching fish in this area. Anything, so we're gonna come back later tonight, right?
Yeah.
Actually, we did catch something. What did you catch, Paul?
I caught a 643 rhino.
So this is my last day in Peace Rivers. Should be driving off tomorrow morning when I wake up. It was a nice week just to get away from everything. Going to visit Paul, getting out of just the city of Edmonton, feeling stuck. So yeah, it was nice and being outdoors right now. Look at this view, right? With the sunset right now. It's just pretty nice. So I'm gonna end my vlogging for Peace Rivers with this walk right here and this beautiful scenery in the back. This bush is blocking the way now, but just because I want to enjoy the moment as well. Because when you're recording and taking pictures, you forget to be in the moment, right? So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this moment, and we'll see you next week.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape.